How does a neural network actually learn? In this video, what a forward pass is, how we measure mistakes with a loss, gradient descent, backpropagation, the training loop in code, and the tools that do it all for you. Start with the forward pass. The network takes an input, multiplies it by its weights, adds a bias, and passes it through each layer to make a prediction. At first the weights are random, so that first prediction is basically a guess. Next we measure how wrong it is. A loss function compares the prediction to the correct answer and returns a single number. A big number means very wrong, a small number means close. Learning just means making that one number smaller. Here is the core loop. Predict, measure the loss, work out which way to nudge each weight, then update them. Repeat this thousands of times. This is gradient descent, slowly walking the weights downhill toward a lower loss. But how do we know which way is downhill? Backpropagation. Using the chain rule from calculus, the error flows backward through the network, layer by layer, computing a gradient for every weight, how much each one pushed the loss up or down. In code it is only a few lines. Run the forward pass, compute the loss, call backward to get the gradients, then step the optimizer to update the weights. Zero out the gradients, and do the whole thing again. One dial matters a lot, the learning rate. Too big and training overshoots and blows up. Too small and it crawls along. Just right and the loss drops smoothly. It simply sets the size of each downhill step. We rarely use plain gradient descent. Optimizers like SGD with momentum, and Atom, adapt the step size automatically, so training is faster and more stable. Atom is the popular default you will see almost everywhere. Training runs in batches. One full pass over all the data is called an epoch, and we run many of them. Watch out for overfitting, when the model memorizes the training data instead of learning the real pattern. A validation set catches it. You almost never code this by hand. Frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow have automatic differentiation, called autograd, so they compute every gradient for you. You just define the model and call backward. Recap. The forward pass makes a prediction, the loss measures the error, backprop finds the gradients, and gradient descent updates the weights, over and over. That is how neural networks learn. Follow for more simple AI explainers.